So, in order to find a killer product, just open AliExpress, scroll down a little, pick the first cool product you see, launch it on Facebook or TikTok ads, and boom, you're rich. Sounds great, right? Nope. That's the fastest way to burn money and fail at dropshipping. Tons of beginners make this mistake. They pick products based on what looks cool instead of what actually sells. But what if AI could find the winners for you in just seconds? Finding a winning product is hard. Scrolling through listings, testing random items, and dealing with unreliable suppliers, it's exhausting. But today, I'm going to show you a free AI-powered tool that does the heavy lifting, so you can source profitable products effortlessly. It's called Accio, the world's first AI-powered sourcing engine, trusted by over 1 million small and medium-sized enterprises worldwide to find hot-selling products and verified suppliers in seconds. Let's dive in. But before we let AI do the work, here's what makes a product a real winner. First, it's got to solve a real problem. The more urgent the problem, the faster people buy. Second, it needs big profit margins. If you buy for $10 and sell for $40 or more, you'll cover your ad costs and still make money. Next, the product should be light and easy to ship. Bulky items will absolutely kill your profit margins with those high shipping costs. Quality matters. Bad products lead to refunds and complaints, but good products lead to happy customers and repeat buyers. Finally, look for evergreen demand. This means it should be a product that sells consistently throughout the entire year, not just during specific holidays or seasons. Now that you know what to look for, let's find a winning product in seconds using AI. I've added the official Accio link in the description. Click it to access it for free. Now we're on Accio's website. Let's jump into Accio's brand new feature called Product Research. I want to find portable neck massagers under $15 that I can sell for over $50. Normally, I'd spend hours searching through supplier directories, but with Accio, it takes just one query. Here's what Accio does. First, it scans over 400 million products from top marketplaces like Alibaba, AliExpress, Europages, and more to give you the best results. Then, it filters through over 1.5 million verified suppliers worldwide to match your criteria. And finally, it shortlists the best verified suppliers in seconds. Just like that, Accio gives me over 140,000 solid options, all from verified suppliers. It even highlights which products meet all my requirements. No more guesswork. And if I need to refine my search, no problem. I just edit my query, like adding lightweight or deep kneading massage nodes, and Accio instantly updates the results. Now let's say I want to compare my options before making a decision. Normally, this would mean opening multiple tabs, switching back and forth, and manually tracking key details, wasting a ton of time. But with Accio, everything is streamlined. It has a powerful feature called Super Comparison Mode that instantly displays all the crucial factors side by side. This lets me see price differences, minimum order requirements, shipping fees, and supplier details all in one place. It really helps you find the best deal fast instead of wasting hours switching tabs. Now that I've found the right product, let's make sure it's actually profitable. One of the biggest mistakes new sellers make is guessing if a product will sell. Instead, let's use Accio's brand new feature, the Business Research Tool, to check real market trends. Normally, researching market demand and competitor pricing could take weeks, but with Accio, it's done in just 10 seconds, saving 99% of your time. Now, let's check which portable neck massagers are trending in the US, whether I can source them at a low cost, and if there's a solid resale opportunity in the next 3 months. Hit search and Accio instantly scans market trends, demand spikes, and profit margins. No guesswork, just data-driven insights. Seriously, check this out. The global neck massager market is set to grow from $2 billion in 2023 to $4.5 billion by 2030, expanding at an 8.3% annual growth rate, and the trend shows no signs of slowing down. Market analysis confirms that portable neck massages are trending in the US, especially shiatsu massages with heat therapy, adjustable intensity, and portability. Features like 3D kneading, smart app integration, and cordless designs are driving demand. Now for the good part, you can actually buy these shiatsu massages in bulk for as cheap as $5. Even the really nice ones are only around $38. Think about it. You buy one for $5 and sell it for 60 or more. That's like making over $50 profit on just one. Even if you get a fancier one that costs you $38, you can still sell it for about $90 and make a good $52 profit each time. There's a lot of money to be made here. So, are neck massages a good pick? Based on what Accio shows us, absolutely. It takes all the guesswork out of finding what's hot and what can actually make you money. Now, as we wrap things up here, let's be honest. Spending tons of time and money trying to figure out what to sell is just not the smartest way to go these days. AI is changing the game, and Accio makes it super easy to get in on that. If you're on your computer, you can actually check out Accio for free for a limited time. Seriously, why spend hours doing something a smart tool can do in seconds? I've put the website link down in the description for you to check out. Give it a try and tell me in the comments. What's one word that comes to mind after seeing what Accio can do? I'm genuinely excited to see your reactions. And once you've found your winning product and you're wondering how to start dropshipping or create high-converting video ads, these videos right here will walk you through it all. See you there.